is Arshad Qureshi and welcome to the Snooker Gym again. This is my second video in English language. This series I'm working on potting practice for the people who are struggling with their potting, improving their potting skills. So if you've seen my previous video that we worked on our ball colors and tried to make 50 odd break or 70, 100 or depending on your skills, as I mentioned. So now I'm going to increase bar slightly higher for you, and I have placed yellow, green, brown, blue, pink and black on around the blue spot. So what I want you to do is to start potting these balls, and again, as per your skill level, start making a 50 break first, and then a 100 break, 200, 300. If you are like 40 plus break player, go for a 400, 500 break of these colors. Trust me, maybe it seems very simple to you, but this practice is very, very important to build your focus and concentration, that how long you can keep potting easy, simple positioned balls and what you can achieve. So let me start working on it, and I will start talking within the break as well to give you the ideas what I am hitting. Again, be relaxed, be patient, don't be hasty. Put your ball wherever you like to start with. So I'm starting with the pink ball, and let's see with the start of simple soft stun screw shot. Six. You can make good blue. So now I'm slightly straightish on the blue. I'm going to pot ball to maneuver the angle. I'm going to pot my blue ball slightly in that part of the pocket and see if I can place my black ball off this blue. That's it. I'm seeing that ball went in very well. I'm on the black. Again on the blue, soft screw shot. For the pink ball, 23. 23. Again, I'm going on the black. 29. 29. So you can see that I'm making a break looks very simple. Maybe when you will try to do it for many players on 20 or 30 break, it won't be very easy to control the ball like this. But again, practice is the only way. And you can see that I am not even letting my white ball go on that side of the table. That is purely up to me. But now you don't have to be on one side of the table, make a break. If you are an advanced player, maybe you can give yourself a challenge. You can pot all the balls, all your century or whatever target you have from one side. But if you are a beginner or if you are struggling with the potting practice, don't give yourself such a hard job. It's not easy. So now I'm on a brown ball, soft stun shot, stun screw. 40. So now back on the green ball, I can again screw it back for the pink, but this time I would like to go on that side of the table. So just to give you guys the idea that how you can 43. Move around the table. So this is very important that you guys can again simple follow for another blue. Now I have made an angle because I was slightly straightish on the blue ball, and again I'm on a stun shot option. So now I have made a 50 odd break. I can keep going, I'm still in a good position. One thing you guys have must have noticed that I never let my white ball towards the cushion. I kept it in control. That is the secret of every practice, and especially this practice, that you don't let your white ball going towards the cushion, because it's very difficult for me to playing from here. Awkward bridging involves, and there are so many tricks. I'm going to talk about awkward bridging on one video as well very soon, but this will give you the idea that how we can control our white ball around these colors to achieve our target, whether it's a 50, whether it's 100 or something less. This was 50 odd break. So if you achieve your given target to yourself, do send me the video. I'll share it with the rest of the world, and I hope that will increase your gaming skill, potting skill, and positioning skill as well. So keep sharing my channel. If you have any questions regarding this practice or about your technique, please inbox me, send me on WhatsApp, send me on Facebook page, follow my Facebook page. There will be a live snooker session as well. There will be live snooker discussion sessions, and there are so many more things that are coming on the channel. So looking forward to hear from you. Please share my channel with your friends as well. You never know who might be learning from our tips. So thank you very much. Keep watching. Take care.